Greetings, comrades. So we are back where we stopped last time in the part 2, and this is a part 3 of the bad day of the Airsoft guy. Yep, so this is just a reminder how we met the guest behind our back. And after this I decided to move down the road where he came. And it was kind of scary, because I didn't know how many people can be there at the end of the road. Luckily, there was one guy from our side just going outside of the road, like of the forest, maybe 20-25 meters ahead. He was shot immediately, so I understood it's a bad idea to go down the road, so I need to go kind of, a bit sneaky. And I decided to spread this news about, ambush at the end of the road across the forest. And here you can see a sniper of our side, and I'm kind of communicating to him that no, don't go there, just shoot from the distance. Myself, I approach there, and I see an enemy. And then you can see that BBs are spreading around him, kind of really in every direction. I'm just cutting the bushes there, and guy is literally just sitting there and watching me kind of cutting the grass in the forest with airsoft BBs. I mean, everybody does it. Then at some point of time he just, I guess, became very bored with this one, and he said, okay man, see you next time, continue cutting your grass in the forest. And I'm like, yeah, sure, bye bye. And then sniper got him actually. Okay, so after he was done, I started to advance forward, and there was a funny picture. It's kind of me standing in between of sniper and in between of our assault team. And they both see me that I'm a blue side, and they both don't understand whose side is other guy. And I was like explaining to them, guys, come on, we are friendlies. And we've been advancing further, and I stuck in the middle of empty forest place, and there was a shooting, and I was kind of trying to understand from where, and then they got me. So it was literally a very bad idea to stand in full height in the middle of the forest, not hiding. And this is already next point, maybe 5th, maybe 6th, but you can see people are tired, and I have to choose like to go on the side where there are a lot of bushes. You literally can see like beyond 15-20 meters, because I was not sure if my gun will shoot more than 15 or 20 meters, or maybe 10 meters. And here I see another guy, and he was really close, he was just quite close, and I'm shooting all the way around him, I mean, is it luck, is it bad gun, is it like just forest? But I was quite ready to be, screaming. And then this just killed me. I will scream soon, like now. I was upset, really. I have to beep a lot of words, really. I was kind of holding it in myself as the beginning of the day, but then I said, no, it's enough. It's enough. So I said, okay, I'm going home, and I need to relax. I won't play for at least today anymore. So, did you have the same once in your life? Tell me, and see you next time.